Shalom, shalom, and kingdom greetings to you. Kingdom greetings to you. Last week, we were looking into what exactly is potential. Today, I want us to look into how to maximize potential. How to maximize potential. It is very much important that as a child of God, you look into the resource that God has given unto you called potential, so that as you maximize it, as you live your life to the fullest, you are able to get into that space where you find a deep sense of satisfaction and fulfillment in your life because you are maximizing your potential. Now, how do you maximize potential? Number one, you need to have clarity of purpose. Without purpose, potential is under arrest. Without purpose, potential is in chains. You will not be able to achieve anything. You need to have purpose in life, and your purpose must be clear. Number two, your guiding statements must be clearly articulated. And your guiding statements are your purpose statement, your vision statement, and your mission statement. These statements are guiding you. They are guiding your life. They are helping you to navigate through life. The book of Habakkuk 2, verse number 2 says, "Then the Lord replied, write down the vision, make it plain on tablets, so that the herald may run with it." Your vision must be clearly articulated. It must be written so that the herald may begin to run with it. Why do you need all three guiding statements? You need all three of them because each one of them has a purpose. Your purpose is the bigger picture, the bigger goal. Your purpose speaks to the bigger goal of your life or the bigger picture of your life. I sometimes refer to it as the billboard of your life, because when you see a billboard where the construction is going to, where there's a construction, it shows you and it tells you what is going to happen there, what needs to be done, and what's going to be built there. So it is your bigger goal. But now the purpose that your vision statement is it's serving is it's that your vision statement seeks to fulfill your purpose, and your mission statement helps you to fulfill your vision. So these statements needs to be clearly articulated so that you can be inspired and fueled to maximize your potential. The third thing that you need to do to maximize your potential is that you need to craft a compelling strategy. The book of Proverbs 24, verse number 3 to 4 says, "Every successful enterprise is built by wise planning, becomes strong through common sense, and it profits wonderfully by keeping abreast of the facts." So you understand here that God wants you to apply your common sense. God wants you to plan. God wants you to, to profit. But you cannot do that if you are not planning. In Proverbs 16, verse number 3, he says, "Commit all your works to the Lord, and your plans will be established." So you need to be mindful of the plans that you are putting in place. And your plan must talk to what do you need to do? Where do you need to do it? How do you want to do it? Who needs it? What is their problem? What is the solution that you are offering them? Why are you offering them what you're offering them? And you need to also talk to the time frames. What do you want to achieve in 5 years, 3 years, 1 year, 1 month, 1 week? And what are the goals that you need to achieve on a daily basis so that you can get to that point? Craft a compelling strategy to maximize potential. Shalom, shalom, and kingdom